Hi again, Laura.
Hi.
We're going to ask the third question now. What do you wish you'd known sooner about dyscalculia and maths difficulties?
It's a good question too. I wish I had just even known that there was such a thing as a math learning disability. I remember in the beginning days when I was reading about it, I thought, isn't math just black and white? Like very basic, like what is there to not get about it? Even though I didn't really love maths myself, even in college. But I just wish I had known that some people just see numbers differently because every day now I experience my daughter, her experience of numbers, of quantities, of directions. It's just different than my other daughter or myself. And so I wish I had just known that that there is even a difference. Um, and then I also I have some regret about my early days being frustrated with her. And I remember horrible moments of over flashcards, subtraction flashcards, and thinking to myself, she's not trying hard enough, or
Yeah.
she's not even giving this a go. And a lot of regret when I realized the poor girl was trying as hard as she could, and she was not seeing the same thing. She was not understanding the same concept. Um, so I think if I had known that, I have way more patience now. The other thing is just how her memory of things will come and go. And I am much more relaxed now. When, the other day we were counting backwards and she like skips 18, counting back from 20. And before I would have been like, oh my gosh, and now I'm just kind of like, that's today. And like, she'll probably do it again later today and remember it, or tomorrow she will.
Yeah.
And a little more just understanding of how her mind works. Also, I wish I had understood that there's a lot of things in our society that we categorize with numbers, and maybe they don't need to be categorized with numbers. Like I'm kind of entering into this open space of like, wow, she may have a unique way of doing things that I could learn from her.
Yeah.
And so that's been kind of fun.
What
Uh,
sort of things would you change? What would you?
well, sometimes I think about like mailbox numbers. And we live on a road and they have these really long numbers. And I look at them and I think that's really overwhelming. If you were a mail carrier and you had dyscalculia, like, isn't there some other way? Like, this is, I don't know, the blue house on our road, or it has a funny name, maybe it's by name, or anyway, I don't know. Sometimes I wonder about that. Or um, bike locks, like when you're trying to remember your combination.
Mhm.
And they've just now recently come out with ones that have words or pictures, and that's helpful. But
That's a
most
good
most locks are numbers, and
number based. You're right.
she's not going to remember that. So we found her a bike lock that has a word that she likes, and
Fantastic.
anyway, things like that.
Okay.
I've I wish earlier I just had a little more openness and understanding about it. It's helped a
Okay.
lot to be learning.
Okay. Thank you very much.